Hi friends, today's video is about fruit facial. So most of us we use facial products which has some chemical. So today I'm going to show you a natural fruit facial which is from papaya. So what all we need for facial?
The first is cleansing milk, gel, scrub and face pack. So we're gonna make this today with these ingredients.
The first we're going to take is some raw milk, around 2 teaspoons of raw milk. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of papaya and just give it a stir. So this is how it will look. Applying it all over my face, massage it. The next step is scrubbing your face. So I'm going to take some rice flour, a tablespoon of papaya paste and give it a whisk and make a good paste. Now take 2 cotton pads and clean your scrub. So next I'm going to take some honey and glycerin. So it has 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of papaya to it. So I'm just adding a teaspoon of papaya and giving it a whisk. Take a brush and apply it on your face. Once you're done applying with the brush, give it a good massage with your hand for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, take a cotton pad and clean your gel. Last step to this video is face pack. So I'm going to take some Besan. We'll mix some papaya paste to it with a nice whisk. Now take this brush and apply this face pack all over your face. So now let this face pack dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll wash it with the warm water.
Then I'll come back. So I have washed my face. So your face becomes soft, elastic and glowing.
After this face pack, I'm taking water so that my face will stay
hydrated and glowing. So I'm done with my facial.
I hope you guys like this. If you like this, please do share with your friends and let me know how's the result.